Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to redeem eBay gift card. Now, the only option that eBay has to redeem these gift cards is during checkout, okay? There's no way to specifically just redeem gift cards and add it to your account. So all you need to do is find an item you want to go ahead and buy. Let's say I want to buy this PlayStation 5. So I'll go ahead and just click on this. It will open up a new tab. Now here I'll click on buy now. Okay, so I'm doing the checkout process. Okay, we'll toggle this one on for no thanks and proceed to checkout. We don't need that protection plan for now. All right, so all you need to do here, right? They have the different payment options. Just want you to scroll down and you'll see gift cards and coupons. You just enter your gift card code right here and click on apply. Okay, and that amount will apply right here to your purchase. There you go, guys. It's really that easy and simple.